Gentlemen, it is a great honor to stand before you today as the 47th Commissioner of Police, Rivers State. I officially assumed duty on January 4th, 2025, and I'm deeply grateful for the opportunity to serve the resilient and vibrant people of this great state. I want to begin by expressing my heartfelt appreciation for your leadership and hospitality. My commitment is unwavering to work tirelessly and collaboratively to ensure the safety, security, and peace of every citizen in Rivers State. I'm fully aware of the complex security challenges we face. Let me assure you, sir, Your Excellency, that under my leadership, the Rivers State Police Command will confront these challenges with determination and innovation. We will strengthen our intelligence gathering capabilities, enhance our rapid response mechanism, and most importantly, foster deeper trust and collaboration with the communities we serve. Our command will remain firmly apolitical, standing as a neutral and impartial institution dedicated solely to upholding law and order. This commitment is vital to maintaining the trust and confidence of the people we protect, while we will engage constructively with political leaders and key stakeholders to secure necessary resources and support. Our engagement will always be conducted with professionalism and integrity. Let me conclude, sir, by thanking you for your constant support for the command. Without your support, I think we wouldn't have gone as far as enabling to provide the security that you deserve. I also want to use this medium to say happy birthday to you in advance, sir. Let me conclude by thanking you again. We appreciate you and we pray you continue to support the police command as usual. God bless Rivers State. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you, sir.